China's economy, as I said before, is for all practical purposes roughly equivalent to the United States. It's bigger than the US on some metrics. It's still a bit smaller on others, but it will catch up within the next decade. And China's a bigger trader, has more foreign exchange reserves, has bigger flows of direct investment in both directions. But China's quota and voting rights in the International Monetary Fund are only 1/3 that of the United States, and an even smaller ratio to that of the Europeans when you take them together. This is ridiculous. China's share in the IMF needs to be dramatically increased. And what I propose in my book is that over time, over the next several quota periods, as they call it in the IMF, we aim to equalize the quotas in the IMF between China and the United States and the Europeans taken as a group, if they can get their act together and take a single seat. China will frequently say, but we didn't write those rules. We weren't involved in that. And that's why I say the WTO needs reform, the IMF needs reform, in which China and the United States and the Europeans and some others sit down and work out revised global rules and norms under which we can all live successfully and restore a cooperative and effectively functioning international economic order.
During the Asian financial crisis, 2008 financial crisis, China has actually not devalued the RMB, but really, put all the stimulus packages and even now during the pandemic, in the last 2 years, China's trade has been at all-time high. Last year was 30% increase. So still trying to stabilize the global economy. I think, yeah, that would be really great idea that if we can get China a rightful place in IMF and similar organizations, so that we can really harness and maximize the contribution that China can make and to the global governance and economic governance and multilateral system.